Ooh, welcome, man. Yeah, y'all see this Jeep Sahara Wrangler Unlimited. Now I can't remember what year it is, but look at all the additives they have added to this thing. Big tires, lift kit. All right, now I want to tell y'all why I refuse to work on this. First of all, they in for some kind of transmission noise. Any kind of noise is a no-no for me. Look at all of this. Now, there's nothing wrong with doing your vehicle the way you want to do it. Okay. Oh, they got the blocks on here. The lift kit's been installed, but let me show y'all something. I refuse to work on this from that standpoint. Okay, no noises. I'm not doing anything. Now I'll fix your oil leak. They got an oil leak, and it's a high mileage, 210 maybe, 210,000 miles. Look at all of the goodies. Oh my goodness. Now, but let me show you why I refuse to work on this from a drivetrain standpoint. Now, as you can see, what you don't see, rather, you don't see a drive shaft coming from the transfer case, which is right there. This is supposed to be a four-wheel drive Jeep Wrangler. Yes, it is. However, they have eliminated. Yes, and these control arms. Look, all of this stuff just on backwards. No, guys. JT is not. Like I say, the oil leaks. This is Pentastar, by the way. The oil cooler is leaking. I can take care of that, but they might not want me to do anything if I'm not willing to risk my career on a suspension or on a drivetrain. That's a no, man. Look at this. You can't. Look, here's the crazy thing. Y'all see how this is angled, right? It's not even. Supposedly, when you do a kit, the control arms, I'm guessing if you turn this will pull this up. This need to be angled upward. See, if you look at this as opposed to this, it's a straight shot down. Let me turn around because this light is messing up my. Yeah. There's no way that's gonna angle up in here and go up in here. It's too high. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna write these oil leaks up. Yeah, it's a cooler oil leaking right on top of the transmission. 3.6 Pentastar. But I refuse to work on anything suspension related. I'm not about to marry this car. Okay? Yeah, they can call me whatever you want to call me. I ain't doing it. I ain't having it. Some of you tough guy. Who's that? Senile, the big tough guy that. well, he was talking about a Pentastar. He was like, he repair sludged engine. Okay, he just put camshafts on them. Yeah, we'll send it to Senile shop. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. My buddy, I've been knowing that dude a long time on YouTube. So we send it to Senile shop. JT, the car guy, ain't interested. All right, it's too much going on with this thing, man. Yeah, these guys, all this stuff is nice, fun, fine, and dandy until you start having problems. Okay, now who's responsible? The people that installed the lift kit? Like, I'm sure that they told this customer, look, we're gonna have to go without you. Yo, it's supposed to be a front wheel drive, so it's supposed to be a four wheel drive. There's no more four wheel drive, simply because they took there's no drive shaft. So, all right. So let me go find a nice way to explain to this lovely lady. I think this is a lady car. That it's not gonna happen. Take it. I don't even. It's a nag one. No telling what's causing that noise. Even the ride is a little rough. I'm not dogging out the vehicle, guys. I'm just dogging out the process. Okay, so people want their Wrangler lifted up. If you want your Wrangler lifted up, you should be able to do that. But it should be done properly. Okay, the way they got these control arms, or yeah, okay, yeah, okay, so. Okay, I'm done. I refuse. I can't do it. I'm not working on this from that standpoint. All right. Yeah. So I'll let y'all know what's up, man. I gotta go.